Hey guys, this is Andrew from MarineMax Danvers. Today I'm going to be walking you through a factory fresh boat of ours. It's a Saxdor 400 GTO. This boat checks every box. Overnighting, day boating, cruising, beach, sandbar, whatever you want, this is going to accomplish the job. So starting back here with the propulsion, we have twin V10 400 Mercury engines. Plenty of power to get you up on plane and get you where you need to be. You'll see here in the back cockpit space, you have plenty of room, entertaining. We also have drop-down terraces on both sides. This will extend the beam of the boat and really give you the ability to hang out while you're at the beach or the sandbar. Big sun pad here. Underneath this sun pad, there is an option for an aft berth. This boat is equipped with just storage. So making our way in to the cockpit, you're going to see the Saxdor 400 does a really good job with seating. So we have seating all the way around with the drop-down table that does convert to a filler. This table does pop up so you can hang out, play cards, eat around it, do whatever you need. You'll see on both sides here, you're going to have an isinglass enclosure to make the boat fully enclosed. This boat easily has the isinglass slide back, retract, and stow away. Making our way forward, we're going to have our summer kitchen here. We're going to have a cooktop, sink. We're going to have one fridge here, 2 fridge, and 3 fridge underneath the helm seat. Plenty of space for your drinks and food. Making our way to the bow, to the helm here, you're going to see this boat does have everything you need. You're going to have Simrad displays, joystick, and a bow thruster for easy use. If you want to poke your head down below, you're going to see a nice V-berth. This does have a stand-up head. And underneath the stairs, there is room for another little cabin or storage. Making our way up to the bow. This boat checks every single box with overnighting and day boating, but it also gives you the bow seating. So nice accommodation up here, again, with the drop-down table that can fill in. Again, this boat checks every box. It will get you to do everything that you want to do. For more information on this Saxdor, please call me. My name's Andrew at MarineMax Danvers, 978-879-3721. Thanks.